We have been seeing some showers moving through parts of the Delta this morning. Over the past few hours, that's what we're seeing right here on radar, kind of moving from this southerly to northerly track. And that's all because of a warm front that has been moving through overnight and very early this morning. That's also keeping our temperatures in the mid-60s, some locations even in the 70s right now. But quickly behind that, a cold front will be moving in from the west, and as it does, that will leave us with a better chance for some strong, possibly even some severe thunderstorms. Temperatures right now here in Greenville right at 66, so mid-60s for us in Greenville. 70 right now in Greenwood, mid-60s further north, 66 in Clarksdale, also 66 in Batesville right now, and then a little bit further south, 69 in Vicksburg and 70 right now in Jackson. Winds, though, are remaining fairly strong behind that warm front. Winds are coming out of the south at 15 miles an hour right here in Greenville. Southerly winds in Greenwood at 15 miles an hour, and Jackson out of the south at 16 miles an hour. So with that strong southerly wind flow behind that warm front, that's why we're seeing that warmer air in place right now. But here within just a few hours, a cold front's going to begin to move through the area, and as it does, that will leave us with a better chance for some strong thunderstorms, also possibly a few severe thunderstorms. That's why the Storm Prediction Center has put most of our viewing area either under this dark green color or yellow color. The darker shaded green, that's the marginal risk, a 1 out of 5 on their scale. Then over here in this yellow color, that's in effect for areas back further east. So closer to Interstate 55, everybody under that slight risk, that is a 2 out of 5 on their scale. So I'll go ahead and time all that rain chance out for you right here on our Futurecast view. By 8 o'clock, Futurecast is bringing that into our far western areas. Some heavy rainfall being indicated by Futurecast with those darker shades of red. A couple hours later, by 10 o'clock, quickly working its way further to the east. That's going to be taking the heavier rainfall, basically on a diagonal line from Batesville on down into Vicksburg. Then a couple hours later, should basically be along Interstate 55. So by about noon, Futurecast is taking this basically along Interstate 55 and continuing to push a little bit farther to the east. Some models are bringing it in just a little bit later in the day, but regardless, should be here sometime mid-morning and should be exiting our area by mid-afternoon. Then by 2 o'clock, areas especially back closer to the river, everybody should be dry. And then we'll just continue to dry on out as we go on to the rest of the afternoon and for the overnight hours. And then tomorrow, by 7 o'clock in the morning, dry conditions, staying dry for the rest of tomorrow. But then on Wednesday, that's when those conditions will begin to change again, bringing in a good chance for some more rain on Wednesday. So as this system moves through today, here's what you can expect. It should be entering our far western areas by mid-morning, and it should be basically out of our viewing area by early to mid-afternoon. And it will be bringing some periods of heavy rain. As of right now, though, I think most areas should stay at about a ½ inch of rain. Some could go a little bit higher. Some also could go just a little bit lower. I think the main concern with this system will be the chance for some strong damaging wind gusts. Also, 1 or 2 tornadoes cannot entirely be ruled out as this system moves through, though. Temperatures for today are going to change up from what we see on most days. Temperatures will be on the decrease as we go through the day. 63 by noon, 60 at 2 o'clock, down to 59 at 4, 56 by 6 o'clock. Also, that chance for showers and thunderstorms, that will be greatest this morning on into the earlier and middle part of the afternoon. Then overnight, we shouldn't have to deal with any rain. 43 for your low, mostly cloudy, calm winds. For tomorrow, high temperatures will be down into the mid-50s. 56 for your high tomorrow, staying partly sunny. Still not having to deal with any rain. Winds out of the north at 5 to 10 miles an hour tomorrow. Then right here for your 7-day forecast, Wednesday and Thursday, that's when those conditions will begin to change up. On Wednesday, about a 90% chance for some rain, mostly cloudy, 47 for your high temperature. Thursday, mostly cloudy, 80% chance for some rain, 50 for your high temperature on Thursday. And then on Friday, only about a 20% chance for some rain in the morning, 51 on Friday.